Hellcat.
Hey guys, Power Shot Airsoft here. Today I have a UKARMS P238 spring airsoft gun. This is the cheapest airsoft pistol on Amazon. So today I will be doing a review on it. So this gun, I'll tell you now, only shoots 5 to 7 feet, and of course it has the orange tip, but you can remove it. I wouldn't suggest that, but you can remove it. It has a magazine that holds 9 shots. This is 6mm shots. It's a spring pistol, so there's modifications that make it add a little more power, maybe like a 1 to 2, maybe possibly 3 feet of range, but that's going to be covered in another video. So this gun, I would not recommend going and using it in battles, ranges, whatever you want to call it. It is cheap. The BBs sometimes get lodged in them, so if I load all 9 up in the magazine, put it in, cock it, shoot, sometimes they get jammed right up in here. So I would not recommend it, but I got what I paid for. It was $7. So I don't know, guys, it's up to you. Maybe beginners use it, but that's not going to do anything in any wars. So thanks for watching the video. Talk to you later.
I gave you my heart.